says it's exhausted all other alternatives and the court is now the only viable option.
This decision is not an easy decision that we've taken lightly as the National Union of Metal Workers. It's a decision that had to challenge ourselves. However, our backs are against the wall. There's nothing that we've not done to try to find an amicable solution to this problem.
Jim says the tripartite alliance leaders are failing to unite the fragmented parties.
Both the General Secretary of the ANC, Comrade Gwede, and Comrade Blade Nzimande, instead of playing the role that traditionally we would have expected components of the alliance to play when another partner is basically fragmented, is divided. They did something which is unprecedented in the history of the Liberation Alliance. They took a decision basically to side with a particular faction in the divisions that are basically splitting the federation.
In court papers, NUMSA states it wants the special CEC meeting held on the 14th of August declared invalid. Furthermore, it wants the suspension of COSATU General Secretary Zwelinzima Vavi set aside. It maintains the meeting held was unconstitutional. NUMSA also wants an interdict in place preventing any further action taken as a result of the meeting held. Unions FAO and SAFPU are core applicants to the court challenge.
The action is basically unprecedented, but it's informed by equally extraordinary set of circumstances. We wouldn't have loved to go to court, but we are forced to, mainly to preserve the constitution of COSATU, but also to promote the culture and the tradition of COSATU when it comes to making such serious decisions.
The trade union also wants COSATU to provide it with the transcripts of the CEC meeting where Vavi's fate was decided.
They've mulled over this and they've recognized that this could be the first step, and perhaps put differently, he could also be launching the first papers towards a divorce, given that the situation is critical.
The ANC, SACP and COSATU could not be reached for comment. Yolisa Njamela, SABC News, Johannesburg.